Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare healthy laddus made of almonds, peanuts, oats and jaggery. First of all, take a pan and add 1 cup of almonds. Almonds are good source of plant-based protein, healthy fats and they contain very good amount of vitamin E. Vitamin E is good for your skin. Roast on low flame and transfer the roasted nuts into a plate. Now again in the same pan add 1 cup of rolled oats and slowly roast oats on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Oats are good source of soluble fiber and they help lower bad cholesterol in your body. They keep your blood sugar levels stable. After roasting oats on low flame, transfer them into a plate. Now again in the same pan add 1.5 cup of peanuts and slowly roast peanuts on low flame for 6 to 8 minutes. Peanuts contain healthy proteins and fats. They contain very good amount of protein. Now transfer the roasted peanuts into a plate. Now take a small vessel, add some water. Add 1 cup of jaggery and melt jaggery. Jaggery is one of the richest sources of iron and calcium. It is very good for increasing your iron levels in your body if you are anemic. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and melt the ghee into jaggery. Now take the mixer jar and add the roasted peanuts. Add roasted almonds. Add roasted oats. Add 3 to 4 elaichi for flavor. Now coarsely grind all the ingredients. Transfer the grinded mixture into a bowl. Add jaggery. Mix well. You can add the jaggery liquid little by little and you can mix and you can adjust the consistency for making laddus. Mix all the ingredients properly. Now take a mixer jar and add 1 cup of rice flakes. Coarsely grind them into a powder. Now add the powdered rice flakes into the laddu mixture. Once again mix all the ingredients properly. Combine everything properly. Now take small amount of the laddu mixture and give it a shape of laddu. If you want, you can add few drops of ghee on your palms and you can make laddus. These laddus are very good for snacking. A nutrient-dense energy ball perfect for snacking and sustained energy. They contain very good amount of fiber, protein, iron and healthy fats. They are great for your heart and brain. Do consume these laddus. You can store them in an airtight container. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the video. And do comment what kind of recipes you would like to watch on this channel. Thank you.